So it's time to change the oil on this 2009 Toyota Camry Hybrid. This is the 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder. It's the same engine that's in the standard gasoline powered Camry, with a couple exceptions. I think in this car, power steering, the brakes, and the air conditioning run completely off the electric. Not a lot of room to operate down here, so we'll try these pliers. Yeah, that'll work. Just need to get it loose. These will chew up the filter, but just to get this one off, we don't really care. As long as we don't puncture it, make a mess. Try to get some light in there so you can see. All right. There we go. All right. So we've got it loose. I'm going to move the camera, slide the oil pan under, and we'll start letting that drain. Now I'm just going to remove it. Let a little oil drain, and then we'll pull it all the way off. So here you can see the place where the oil filter thread's on. I'm just going to reach in there and hit the edge with a shop towel to get any dirt off the surface where the filter will go. And we'll touch up any spots of oil. So that looks nice and clean. It's going to be ready for our new filter. So there's our old filter on the right, and then the new filter is a K&N, same diameter, maybe half an inch shorter. This is a HP-1003, and it's got this built-in 1-inch bolt head on it, so it should make it really easy to service, tighten, and loosen next time we do an oil change. So just for reference, we'll write the mileage and the date on the new filter. That way we can, at a glance, if need be, see when the last time we changed the oil was. $129,602, and then our date is 6/16/19. It's not easy to write on a curved surface. We're going to put a little oil in the filter. That way when we start it up, it doesn't take so long to come up to full pressure. It's got our Mobil 1 0W20. So in addition to putting in some oil in the filter, we're going to get a little bit of oil on our finger and just moisten this gasket. Go as tight as we can by hand. Nice and snug, and then we'll tighten it with our ratchet, maybe another half turn. So we've got a 1-inch socket, and we're just gonna tighten this another half turn. And that's good to go. Alright, we're going to loosen the oil pan drain plug using a 14mm socket. We're going to let that drain for about 15 or 20 minutes. The goal is to get all the dirty oil out, so we're not in a big hurry. So while the oil is draining, it helps to remove your oil fill cap. Oh, it's quite tight. I'm going to pull this off. So we've been draining the oil for about 20 minutes. I think we're pretty good. We got just a tiny drip. I'm going to wipe off the edge of the pan and then we'll cap it up and we'll put some new oil in it. Alright, we're good to put some new oil in. So we're using Mobil 1 0W20. It's a fuel economy specific for, it says GM, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota. This is the one you want to use on these 2007 to 2011 Camry Hybrids. I think on the newest ones, they're actually gone to a 0W16 that's even lower viscosity. But on these ones you want the 0W20. Capacity on this car, the 2.4 liter engine with the new filter, is 4.5 quarts. So we should be able to put most of this in there. It's going to be good. So just let it drain out of the funnel and we should be good on oil. Once we get it off the ramps, we'll check the level on the dipstick. One other cool thing with these K&N oil filters is they give you a little sticker you can put on your windshield. So we're finished with the oil change. To reset the maintenance light, we want to press and hold on the odometer when it's on the trip A, and then we'll press to start the car. And I hit the wipers by accident, but you can see this message said maintenance has been reset. Wait for the engine to start. We don't have any maintenance message, and we don't have that triangle with the exclamation point anymore. So our maintenance message has been reset.